Some people, they may envy you, follow you on Insta just to pre you. The way that go chat rubbish, the way that go spoil your name behind you. You buy one thing, they go on buy two. Always making sure that they better than you, but as you they do me, go do you. You cannot kill my joy, moo. I say some people.
What's up guys, it's your girl Yinka Baby back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a simple bob install provided by Sogoodhair. Here's everything that came in the box. They gave me bobby pins, they gave me one of the tie head, they even gave me a bonnet, guys, okay? But yeah, that's all the goodies that came with the wig. Here's what the wig looked like straight out the box. The knots were already pre-bleached, so I do recommend buying this hair if you have trouble bleaching knots by yourself. It also came with an adjustable strap. So here I am just spraying the lace with Got To Be free spray just so I can protect it before I dye it jet black. I didn't want this to be a natural black color, so I just used jet black dye, put it in hot water and dip the hair in. It's nothing crazy. You can use any semi-permanent dye. Of course I used the Adore one. The reason why I didn't show you guys the process is because I just finished dyeing another hair jet black, so I literally just re-dipped it in the same hot water just to get it a little bit darker than how it came. Of course, the next step is to pluck the hair. In my opinion, this hairline did come very thick, so I did spend a lot of time plucking the hairlines. I got really tired after some time, but yeah, so just be mindful of that. Next comes the install process, okay? Of course, I'm just applying my what is that, ghost bond? Is that ghost bond? Yes, it's ghost bond glue, okay? The install was pretty simple. I think I applied like 2 to 3 layers of ghost bond and really just slapped the wig on there. As you can see, I did not pluck the hair as well as I should have, but because I knew I was doing a middle part and I was not doing anything crazy with the baby hairs, I did not really mind. To melt my hair into place, of course, I'm using a wig band. You can find this at the beauty supply store for like $2 to $3. It really just helps your hair melt into your skin. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys the parting space. Originally I wanted to go with a side part, but the parting space was very small. I wanted to do a swoop for Christmas, but I wasn't able to because the side part was so small. So I ended up going with the middle part where the parting space was a lot better, a lot longer. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you're buying this wig, it's literally just for a middle part bob. I don't see how you could do a side swoop. Maybe I just like my parts like way longer, but this is the parting space that was given, so yeah. So after giving myself a headache for some time, the lace has melted into my skin. One thing about this lace is it did melt, like it was really good. I didn't expect it to be that good because, you know, the parting space really threw me off. But as for the lace was perfect, okay? You see that? See the hair? Perfectly healthy. This was such a clean install. Okay, so now that I fixed all the parts that are lifting, I just tied it back down with the silk head wrap that they provided for me. And now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the hair. The rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, this was like a really simple install, nothing too complicated, especially bobs aren't supposed to give you wahala. So this wig definitely was pretty simple to install. I don't think there's any other explaining that I could do for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.